Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if your Steam has forgotten your downloaded games, or how you can relink the download folder if it has mismatched. Now in order to do all of that, just simply click on your profile icon on the top right corner, then click on settings. Here when you scroll down you need to go to this option that says go to download settings. Now wait for this page to get open. Now once this page gets open, here you need to go to the option of download location, where you have to simply relink the download folder. Like for here you can see default installed directly. Just simply change it to the where you initially download the games, or you can just simply change it to the where you have initially installed the games, and it will directly reload all your games that have been forgotten.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.